It's Tuesday, November 29th, and I am outside the store because I want to show you this amazing tree that Chrissy and a bunch of our crocheters have done. I mean, is that unbelievable? Look at that. All of these, let me see if I can go around and show you. All of these granny squares are amazing, and from top to bottom with some fringe, which is so awesome. Love all of this. Look at these. I mean, one's more wonderful than the next. Let me see if I can stand in the street. They get the full view. Love it. Now, here's what you need to do. You have to vote. You have to vote for my tree so you can, for sure, we can win. Finally, we haven't won with our tree in forever. And this could be the year. And guess what? Do you know what the theme of that tree is? Ready? Boho, ho, ho, ho. Love it. Oh my gosh. I think it's so awesome. So right this minute, I don't think voting is up yet. So there's lots of trees in downtown Southern Pines, and this is a tradition. So I just wanted to show you and have you vote for us. Recommend other people to vote for us. Doesn't matter where you are in the world. So that'll be great. All right. That was just my teaser today. 5 o'clock. All right. My designing friend, Kathy, had a great idea. She wrote this pattern, the rose lace cowl, several years ago. And she created this beautiful cowl that's very drapey and lovely, not difficult to do, makes a great gift, can be used with multiple different yarns. So that is her pattern, and it's been successful. But then she was thinking about the popularity of fleece right now, right? Velvety fleece, it's kind of hot. So she took one of our Bella chenilles from Universal, and with one skein, she recreated that cowl, and it looks like this. It is so soft, so cozy. It can curl down. Kathy is a golfer, and she said this is perfect for golf because it's just up here. It's super soft, super warm, super lightweight. So there you go. We have a chenille cowl to do, right? And you just follow the rose lace pattern. And I'm guessing she used the needle size that the pattern calls for, that the yarn calls for is 10.5. So let me quickly show you the colors. Oh, a skein of this is $9.50. So you could make a ton of these overnight. So white. This great orangey red, love it. Peach, beautiful. Mint, fantastic. Kind of a dove color, lovely. Gray, always good. For the man in your life, chocolate brown, cozy around his neck too. Then we have this beautiful aqua, and this green, turquoisey green, love it. More of a dark teal, more of an orange, oops, upside down, orange. I think that's it. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 colors, lots of choices, one skein, a $10 gift, $9.50. Come on, this is so soft and cozy, I can't even tell you. Pop it over your head, keeps the chill out, good to go. All right, I will let you know where to vote for our tree. I will put an email out about it so you can look at it in pictures and see, then click so you can go straight to the link and you can vote for it. We got to win this year. We've really done some amazing trees, but this year we've outdone ourselves. I think it's perfect. All right, I will see you tomorrow.